Hello world! Today we're going to set a new goal for this channel. Our first goal was to reach 100 subscribers and we made it. That is the first big milestone that YouTube requires to start taking your channel seriously. In fact, if you reach that goal, YouTube lets you register the official name of your channel, which we did, at Mode0Official, like on Instagram and Facebook. So what's the next goal? The next goal is to reach 10,000 public channel views. If we reach this goal, the channel will become eligible to join the YouTube Party, the YouTube Party program. Yeah, that's great. The YouTube Partner program. And from that moment on, YouTube lets creators like me monetize their content. Of course, there would still be a long way to go to turn this into a self-sustainable channel just based on ads revenue. But it would be a first step, at least to test on a small scale whether that's going to be feasible in the long run or not. This is an important stage in the evolution of any channel, because if it works, you can gradually start to invest more resources to create videos with higher production value. So we need to reach 10,000 public channel views. Where are we starting from? Well, the good news is that so far we have already reached 2,000? Yeah, I think it's 2,000. I think we just broke the wall of 2,000 views, which leaves us with 8,000 views to go in order to reach our goal. How are we going to get there? I will post on a weekly basis until we reach the goal. It's going to be quite challenging because I have an incredibly busy schedule, but as you know, I love challenges and I believe I can do this. What will I publish every week? In one of my recent videos, I asked you to vote about what type of videos you would like to watch more on this channel, and you voted live music. So live music will be. Every week I will post a new video of a live music performance. This will be done by me, but also by other artists who I work with, or artists who I have the pleasure to meet every now and then. Together with these live music videos, I will keep releasing also videos like this one, in which I will share with you the behind the scenes, or at least the context of each video. During the week, I will keep sharing also snippets on Instagram and Facebook, so stay tuned over at Mode0Official. And this is very important. You see, this channel started because of your interest in what I do, so I would like you and your interest, of course, to keep being part of this as much as possible. This is why the first video of this new series will be released next week, and I don't know yet what it will be about because it's going to be up to you. Yep, the content of next week's video will be about the photo or mini video clip that received the highest number of likes during the week on Instagram and Facebook. So head over at Mode0Official and simply like your favorite content. For every photo and clip that I share, I have lots of additional content that I usually save in my archives. So I will use that to create these new videos based on what you like the most. If you did... Oh, gosh. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do it now and tell your friends. Thumbs up, and I'll see you next week.